1756, France formally claims the uninhabited Seychelles with the laying of the Stone of Possession on Ma. Initial settlement, 1770. The first permanent French settlers arrive, accompanied by enslaved Africans. Plantations are established to exploit resources. Code Noir, 1723. This set of laws governed the brutal realities of slavery and plantation life in French colonies. British Rule 1794 to 1810. Britain seizes control of the Seychelles in phases. They are formally ceded to Britain following Napoleon's defeat. Administration from Mauritius. Seychelles becomes a dependency of Mauritius, itself a British Crown colony. Crown colony and the path to independence 1903. Seychelles becomes a British Crown colony with its own governor. The plantation system and a small white elite dominating politics continues. Post-World War II, increased calls for social and political change. Universal suffrage is achieved in 1967, independence, 1976. Seychelles gained independence from Britain on June 29, 1976. James Mancham of the Seychelles Democratic Party, SDP, becomes the first president. Coup d'etat, 1977. France, Albert René seized power from Mancham in a coup, supported by his Seychelles People's United Party, SP-UP. One-party rule. René established a socialist system aligned with the Soviet bloc. Political opposition is suppressed. Economic focus. Tourism becomes increasingly important to the economy alongside traditional agriculture. Multi-party democracy, 1991 onwards. René allows a return to multi-party politics in the early 1990s. 1993, elections. René and the SP-UP, renamed Seychelles People's Progressive Front, remain in power after winning the first free elections. Further changes. Economic liberalization and political reforms occur throughout the 1990s and early 2000s. Presidents from different parties have held power since 2004. Challenges today. Seychelles remains a small island nation with concerns about economic dependence on tourism, environmental vulnerability, and rising living costs. However, its overall trajectory has been one of stability and increasing democracy.